Welcome to HBRV Lifestyle. This is the 2023 Georgetown 36D7. And ladies and gentlemen, this is the coupe de grace for a retired couple that wants to hit the road and travel the United States. It's on the Ford chassis, so it is gasoline. But remember, gasoline is cheaper than diesel right now. Let's remember that. Now, it does have the overhead bunk, so if you do want to have a guest or two over and don't want to make out the dinette into a bed, you do have that option. There she is, slapping her. Good sized dinette with a big table and a separate cushion for when you want to turn it into a bed. And of course, you got space to throw some goodies underneath the bench. Now, I am like super excited because when I first walked in this, I went, holy cow, there's one, there's two, there's three, there's four recliners in the living room area, and then you have this pantry with drawer organizers. I was like, holy crap, this is amazing. Now, that's standard, having storage above the couch or the recliners, because of course, we don't want any waste of space. But just the kitchen alone, having those sink covers that are on the same level, having the stovetop covers on the same level gives you so much prep space. You don't feel like there's any kind of waste. And then I didn't film it. I apologize. Beat me up later in the comments section. But there is a flip up extra little counter space next to the sink by the entrance. Big microwave, liquor cabinet. Well, whatever kind of cabinet, right? Big residential refrigerator and freezer. And then, of course, standard anymore, everybody loves to put the fireplace in. And, of course, a big screen TV right across the way from the recliners. All really standard stuff in this type of floor plan. But the half bath, surprisingly, is pretty big. They position the toilet in the right spot where the gentlemen who are going to be using that restroom won't feel like they're claustrophobic. And gentlemen, if you're married, you understand that your wife's kicking you out into this bathroom. Big king-size bed that actually reclines up and down. So that way, if you want to watch a little bit of television, you're in the upright position. When you're ready for bed, comes right down. I'm only going to show one cabinet just to give you an idea. And then, surprise, washer, dryer, stackable, and a ton of drawer space for clothing. And you're going to see a nice wardrobe closet for all the hangables. Sorry, boys. Once again, that's going to belong to one person and one person only. Now, steering into the bathroom, this is deceiving because it's got Jack and Jill faucets. Gentlemen, once again, do not be deceived. This is probably not your bathroom. And if I'm wrong, let me know in the comments section below. And for those of you that have been married for 15 plus years, you understand what I'm going with this. For some odd reason, women do not like us using their bathroom. But then again, you never know. I could be wrong. But I haven't seen this much storage in a Class A bathroom in a long time, so I thought that was really cool. The only thing I didn't do this time was stand up in the shower. It's too bloody hot out here in the desert. It was like 115 in the coach. And I didn't bother turning the AC because I'm lazy. But, that is a huge shower. If you're 6'3", 6'4", you're going to feel nice and comfortable. And in the top right-hand corner of this video, you're going to see another amazing Class